You will begin with 100 high knees today. If you want, you can do spot jogging. If you want it more intense, do 100 high knees with me. So lift your knees as high as possible. Let us start without taking any break. Pull your stomach in and begin. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 90 more to go. Try to lift your knee as high as possible. Keep your core tight and keep moving. I'll tell you when we are done with 100. Until then, don't stop. Want it more intense? Do it fast and fast. And make sure you're raising that knee up, bringing it up. We are almost at the end. You're doing so well. And you may relax. Breathe in and let go. Immediately come down and we'll do 40 knee push-ups. Take a moment to catch your breath. Breathe in fully and let go. After that, move on to 40 knee push-ups. Only 2 exercises for today. Come back to tabletop position and focus on your breath. Breathe in and out, in and out. And then take position for knee push-up. You can do 15, 15 and then 10, or you can divide in 20, 20, whatever suits you, whatever feels okay for you. Let's start. Hands are on the edge of the mat. Bring your chest in between your hands. Touch the ground and then push back up. Lift your feet off the floor. You are balancing only on your knees. Minimum 40, maximum if you want, go up till 50. Take your time as much as you want. In between, if you feel like 2-3 seconds of break, you need to rest. You can do that, but let's finish. Breathe in when you go down, breathe out when you come up. Finished 15, take a stretch back. Stretch your arms completely as you sit back for 2 seconds. Bringing the strength back in your arms, come back to the center and start. Second round, finish 15. Take your chest in between and push up. Breathe out as you come up. Make sure your hands are in right position. Chest has to touch your thumbs. 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to be at the posture, at the pose where you find it most difficult to come up. If you are able to easily come up, just find if your hands are in right posture, right distance. Almost completing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and you can stretch back. Finish 10 more. 10, 9. The slower you do them, the more effective they will be. 6, 5, 4, last 3, 3, The last one is the most difficult. 2. And the final one. And relax. You may stand up. Start with Ashtang A, 13 rounds today. After that, we'll do some power yoga moves. So finish 13 rounds of Ashtang A Sun Salutations. Round 1, let's do it together. Breathe in, hands up, lengthen up. Breathe out, fold forward. Head close to your knees. Breathe in, head up. You can walk back. Be gentle as you start the practice. Drop your knees, do a half chaturanga. Lift up in upward facing. Push back in down dog. Walk forward, head up. Head close to your knees. Breathing in, hands up. Breathing out, namaste. Continue 12 more rounds. Listening to the chants, enjoy the chants as you move from one round to the other. Be more energetic and make sure you're doing all the postures and extending, expanding, stretching a little more in each and every posture. Let us begin with our practice, giving our 100%. Finish this round. After that, we'll move on to power yoga. So starting with Ashtang, join your hands together, breathe in, take both the hands up, lengthen your spine as much as you can, reach up, elbow straight, fold forward, knees straight, head up, jump back, chest in between your hands, lift up, look up towards the sky, go back, take your left leg up, stretch your left leg, place it in between your hands. You're going to circle your way up in Warrior 2. Now stretch your hands as much as you can. Come in proper posture for Warrior 2. You're going to go down, bend, hips are facing forward. Just make sure you get into right posture before we start with our power yoga. You're going to bend your knee and go down as much as you can. Come back up. We'll repeat this 9 times. Now keep your body stable. Only your right thigh, your knee is moving. 5 more. Try to push your hip down and then come back up. Working on your right thigh at the same time, engaging your upper body. Keep stretching your arms. Lift your chest. Core is tight. 2 and 1. Hold for 5 seconds. Go down a little more. 3, 2, 1. And hands in Namaste pose. So now from Warrior 2, we are going to go in Skandasana. So you're going to bend your left knee and go down. Stretch your right leg completely. See if you can go down, bring your hips down. Now place your hands on the floor and push yourself back up. Go into Warrior 2. We'll repeat this 5 times. Go down in Skandasana, stretch your right leg fully. You're almost sitting on your heel, left heel. Push your way back up, go in Warrior 2. 4 more times. Go down, stretch. Try to keep your back straight, hands pressed into each other. Come back up and Warrior 2. Once again, let's go down. Try to sit straight, back straight as you come down. And lift. If you can lift without any support, try to go up, lift and then Warrior 2. But it's okay to take support. Just make sure you're doing the postures and holding for 2-3 seconds. Come down and then up. Hold. Warrior 2, hold for 5 seconds. Push your hip down. Right thigh is parallel to the floor. Straighten that left knee. Take your hands down. Take your left leg back. Do a chaturanga. Upward facing. Down dog. And same thing will repeat on the other side. So let's start by stretching our right leg up. Bring your right leg up, three-legged dog. A deep stretch. Try to straighten that knee up. Place it in between your hands and circle your way up to Warrior 2. So first we work on our right thigh. Start by bending your knee and then come back to the center. Bend, go down, back to the center. Now see how to keep your body still. Only you're focusing on your thigh, right thigh. Work that muscle, nothing else is moving. Keep stretching your arms so the upper body is also engaged. And each time try to go further down. 2, 1, and hold. Stretch a little more. Open up your arms. Bend your thigh. Feel that pain in your thigh. It is getting stronger. Now join your hands in Namaste pose. Adjust your body. If you want to reduce the distance by little. For Skandasana, bend your left knee. Go down completely. Stretch your right leg and back to Warrior 2. Now this time try to come up without any support. You're going down, stretching your leg and then coming up, coming in Warrior 2. 4 more times. Do it slow. It's a slow action. Don't have to be in hurry. Go down and then up. Without any support, you're lifting your body. See if you can do that. If it is too difficult, just take support of your hands and come up. Last 2. Down. Straighten that back. And up. Stay here for 2 seconds. Deep inhale. And exhale. Take your hands down. Take your leg back. Do a chaturanga and upward facing for 10 seconds. So chest in between your hands. Now lift up. Start pressing your toes into the mat. Squeeze your knees. Join your knees together. Squeeze your inner thigh, your buttocks. Push your chest forward and lengthen through the crown of your head for 3, 2, 1 and go back. Downward facing. Lift your left leg. Place it in between your hands. Circle your way up. Hands in Namaste pose. Adjust your body. We are going to go down. Bend your right knee and go down. Stretch your left leg completely, holding in Skandasana, back straight. Press your palms into each other, and when you are here, try to lift your hip up. See if you can use the strength in your thigh muscles and try to lift your hip up. Do it once and twice. If you can lift your hip up, you are sitting down but trying to lift your hip. It's very, very difficult. You need a lot of strength in your legs to do that. Hold it there. Feel the deep stretch. Focus on one point. Find your balance. And bring yourself up. We'll do the pyramid. So you're going to turn your right leg out 90 degrees and go down. so that your nose touches your knee. Try to touch your nose to your knee. Find your balance, and then you're going to hold your elbows as if you're hugging your leg. So hug your right leg, touch your nose to your knee. Keep your knee little soft, feel that stretch. Hold for 3, 2, 1, and you may come up and come back up. Let's repeat on the other side. Bend your left knee, stretch your right leg, adjust your body. Don't hyper stretch your right knee, keep it a little soft. Try to stretch your thigh, back of your thigh. Now sit straight, press your hands into each other, sit straight. You're on your toes. Lift your hip up once and then come down. You're doing a small movement just there. Lift your hip up and then come down. One last time, lift it up, come down and hold the pose. Focus on one point, keep your back straight and feel the stretch. Let's come up, turn your leg out 90 degree, left leg is out 90 degree, drop your chest on the thigh, touch your nose to your knee, and hold behind your leg. Hold your elbows as if you're hugging your leg. Three, 2, 1 deep breath. Breathe out. You can bring yourself up. And we'll do 5-pointed star. So your toes are pointing in front. Stretch your hands, stretch your fingers wide apart. Open your body completely and stay there for 10 seconds. So heels are pointing behind, toes are pointing in front. Gap between both the legs. Ankles are under your wrist. Start squeezing your thigh muscles, squeeze your stomach, lift your chest and open your arms wide apart for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Stretch more and more. Relax. Now we'll do one more power yoga move. So keep your legs hip width apart. We are going to reach up in Tadasana. Stretch completely. Then take your right leg forward and do a lunge. Back to the center. Repeat this 10 times. Reach up with Tadasana. Hands in Namaste. Lunge on the right side. So let's do it together 10 times. It's a slow movement. Do not be in a hurry. You have to stretch up, completely stretch up, and then while you are going in lunge, do a namaste. Stretch up completely, do a namaste, do a lunge on right. 10. Take your time to adjust your body and let's begin. 9, 8, 7, knee almost touching the ground, touch your left knee to the ground. 6, reach up for the sky. 5, lengthening at the same time, working on your lower body. 4, 3, 2, last one. Excellent. Once again, reach up for the sky. Join your hands in Namaste pose and come in a lunge. This time we are going to do pulsing over there for 15. So reach up, join your hands, come in a lunge, and then we are going to pulse with our left knee. Take your left knee down and then come up. Touch it down to the ground, come up. 8, 7, 6. Walk your right thigh. At the same time, let's strengthen our left leg as well. Hands in Namaste pose. Don't stop, keep going. We are doing 15 of these. Back is straight, core is tight. Go down as much as you can. And the last one. Drop your knee down, relax your toes, reach up with your hands in a long lunge. Push your pelvis down, look up towards the sky. Deep stretch, hold for 2 seconds, deep breath in. Arch your back completely. Take your hands down. You can take your leg forward. Just stretch the back of your legs by doing pulsing 2-3 times over there. And then come up. Let's repeat on the other side. So same thing with our left leg. Stand in Tadasana, legs hip width apart. Reach up with your hands, stretch, and then hands to the center. Press your palms into each other. Engage your upper body while you bend your right knee. Let's do it 10 times. Begin, reach up. Namaste, bend, go down. Touch your right knee down, come back. 9, 8. Not just lunges, engage your entire body. Also your breath. 6. While you're taking your hands up, breathe in. Go down. 5 more and then we'll do the pulsing. Reach up, lengthen and go down. 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Now let's get ready for our pulsing. Take your hands up, reach up, join your hands in Namaste. Bring your body in right posture, adjust your body. So your left knee shouldn't cross your ankle. Observe. Touch your right knee down and up. 12, 11, 10. Squeeze your right buttocks as you come up. Keep your core tight. Walking both of your legs. 3, 2, 1. And drop your knee, right knee. Relax your toes. Reach up with both your hands. Push your pelvis down. Arch your back. Long lunge with both the arms are up. Open up your chest. You're stretching your right thigh completely. Take your hands down. Tuck your toe. And take your time. Bring your leg forward. Drop your head completely. Stretch the back of your legs. Do some pulsing over there. Stay for 5 to 8 seconds. Close your eyes. See if you can hold your hands behind your legs. Hold your elbows behind your legs like you're hugging both your legs and drop your head. Eyes closed for 5, 4, knees straight, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale and drop your knees and you can sit. Come down on the mat. So we'll do Uttana Mandukasana. You're going to join your feet together, join your toes together, sit on your heels and create gap between your knees. Take both the hands up, reach up with your hands as much as you can, lengthen your spine. Now bend at the elbow, place your right hand on your left shoulder blade, left hand on your right shoulder blade. So your hands are crossed behind and we are staying there for 10 breaths. Elbows are pointing up. Now make sure you're not bending. Look straight. Lift your chest, look straight, open up. Start with 10 deep breaths in and out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep inhale. Full breath in, hold for a second and breathe out. Relax. Join your knees together. 3 rounds of Bhastrika Pranayam with bandhas. And then we can lie down for Shavasana. So while doing the bandhas, you are going to hold for at least 10 to 15 counts. If you can hold for longer, up till 20, that is even better. So try to hold for 10 to 15 minimum. Sit in Vajrasana, loose fists near your shoulders. Take a normal breath in. Empty your lungs. For Bhastrika, with force and enthusiasm, breathe in, out, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5. Continue 15 more. Last breath in, out. Relax your hands, breathe in fully and hold the breath inside for 10, 9, 8. Squeeze your anal muscles, pull them up. Squeeze your stomach, chin to the chest. Hold the energy inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. Round 2, normal breath in. Empty your lungs. For Bhastrika, with lot of energy, breathe in, out, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, 15 more. Give your 100%. Expand as you breathe in fully and breathe out forcibly. Push the air out of your lungs. One last breath in, out. Relax your hands, breathe in fully. Make a fist, place it near your groin. Squeeze your anal muscles, squeeze your stomach, chin to the chest. Hold the breath inside for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Whenever you want, you may release. Energy just shoots up like a fountain. Last round. Breathe in, normal breath in. Empty your lungs. And begin. In, out. In, 2. In, 3. Continue on your own. Finish 20 breaths and then apply the locks. Remember, this is our last round, so give a little more this time. Open your lungs as you breathe in and push the air out. Eyes are closed. Focus on your breath. Breathe in, hold, keep your count. Try to go beyond 15 this time. Slowly release, take your head down, sit in child's pose, close your eyes. Let the prana go up to your head. Just relax there for 15 to 20 seconds. After that, you can lie down for Shavasana. Bring your head up, stretch your legs and lie down for Shavasana. Gap between both the legs, hands next to your body. Drop your head on one side, eyes are closed. Take 2 long deep breaths in and out and start relaxing each and every muscle. Let's stay still for next 2 minutes without opening our eyes. Dropping all the weight on the floor as if you're melting into the ground. Listen to the music and relax more and more. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.